story. And the name of the story is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So let's begin. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! A caterpillar came out of a tiny egg. He was feeling very hungry. So he started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through an apple. Nom nom, nom nom, nom nom, nom nom. But he was still feeling hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. Nom nom, nom nom, nom nom. But he was still feeling hungry. So on Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. Nom nom, nom nom, nom nom, nom nom. But Mr. Caterpillar was feeling still hungry. So on Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. Nom nom, nom nom, nom nom. But Mr. Caterpillar was still feeling hungry. So on Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. Nom nom, nom nom, nom nom, nom nom. After eating oranges, Mr. Caterpillar was still hungry. So on Saturday, he ate through a pizza. And a lollipop. Nom nom. And also a cupcake. Nom nom. And after eating a lot of food, his stomach started aching. So on the next day, that is Sunday, he ate through a green leaf. And he felt better. After that, he rolled himself and formed a cocoon around him for 2 weeks, that is 14 days. After 14 days, when he came out of his house, he was a beautiful butterfly. So children, what is the moral of the story? That in our life we take a lot of decisions, whether they are good or they are bad, but they change us in a lot of ways. And in the end, change is always good and beautiful.